Alright, Nitro Nation. This is the next project. We're gonna clean up this LD3 and try to get it running. Same way with the that one there. That one there has a Force 18 in it. This one here is this one here makes me nervous because it is considered a nasty 10 scale. It has a big block Hyper 21 that goes in there, just like that. So that's what this is. This is the one that scares me and makes me nervous when I ran it all the time. But yeah, I'm gonna tear into this one, and we're gonna get this one going and get some video of this one running. Boy, it makes me nervous just thinking about it. Yeah, but yeah, you can tell. You can see the tires that I have on it. Just gonna have to figure out how to tame it and get some good speed runs. Try to. Yeah, it's scary to run. Yeah, we'll get this going, but yeah, just like the other one, I'm gonna have to put some new gears in there. This one here did hit second gear for a split second, and then I had to let off because it was just too quick and too scary to maintain that second gear. However, it probably don't even need a second gear. Heck, it'd probably just work on that high gear there, as powerful as that Hyper 21 is. But yeah, I'm anxious to get it going again. Now that engine's set for a very long time. I hope it jives with me. I have a Team Associated 28 carburetor on there. It woke this engine up. Seriously. Those motor mounts were custom made by a friend of mine years ago. He made those motor mounts. But yeah, he also made this top plate. See this top plate here? Look how thick that top plate is. He custom made that. Along with a chassis, but the chassis got messed up on a wreck. So years ago, I wrecked it, and the motor got sucked out of the chassis on an impact. So yeah, it's a handful, real handful. But yeah, we'll get this going. I think I'm going to go ahead and install another chassis. I'm going to go ahead and use the Pro. We'll go ahead and use this Pro chassis. This is the Pro version. So, take everything off and clean it up. I'll change those gears out. And get it going again. So stay tuned. Stay tuned. I'm going to shoot some vid of me doing some work on it. Maybe not extreme like the other one, but after this one, I'm going to go ahead and do another one. We'll use this chassis, and I'll gather up some parts, and what I'll do is I'll make an original style. I got a single gear speed one that I can do right after this one, but we'll do this one now. Not now, here in a day or two. But you guys all stay tuned. You'll dig these old nitro street cars. They're pretty cool. I enjoyed them. I enjoyed them because I can just step outside and here and just whip them up and down the road real quick. I had fun doing it. They're pretty fun. Alright, stay tuned. You guys have a good one.